Again, 07 Explorer. Okay, it blows a fuse constantly, this fuse, right? And the guys got confused because they looked that up. They say fuse 27, and fuse 27 leads nowhere. So upon checking, I realized that this fuse is not 27, okay? This fuse is, we're going to turn it around like that, and then it becomes fuse 39. Fuse 39. And that makes sense because fuse 39, according to the diagram, feeds the computer straight up. And when I unplug the computer, the PCM that fuse 39 stops blowing. Okay, so we're going for a computer there to eliminate the short. Thank you.